Welcome to Dawn of Cooking, and in this week's video we're going to be making the no-bake oatmeal walnut cookies. And hopefully you watched last week's video where I went through a day in the life eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner with recipes out of Dr. Michael Greger's cookbook, How Not to Die. And I promised you guys that this week we would learn how to make these awesome cookies. They're just the right amount of sweet, they're full of fiber, no processed sugar in them, and they're delicious. So let's get cooking and learn how to make these delicious cookies. Now here is this amazing recipe, the no-bake oatmeal walnut cookies from Dr. McGregor's book. It has very simple ingredients: the dates, the walnuts, rolled oats, date sugar, flax seeds, vanilla, and cinnamon. First thing to do in making this recipe is to take 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds and 2 tablespoons of warm water and letting them soak for a few minutes. Now the recipe calls for 1.5 cups of dates that are soft. So what I did, my dates were nice and soft, so I just cut them up in chunks. But if you do not have soft dates, go ahead and cut them up and let them soak in a little bit of warm water until they're soft. Now the recipe calls for date sugar, and it's also called date powder. Now if your mixture seems a little bit thick, you're going to go ahead and add just a little water, only 1 tablespoon at a time. Got the cookie base all made. Just gonna put it on some parchment paper and set it in the fridge. I added just a little hint of salt, and go ahead and taste it. You could add some more cinnamon, whatever you like. Try dampening a fork with just a teeny bit of water, and then you can make some nice crisscross lines. I always love hearing from you guys, so leave me a comment, I love sweets, down in the comment section below the video. That way I know that you made it all the way to the end of this video. I hope you can make these cookies really soon and that you will enjoy them. Last week's video was fun with the breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Go ahead and watch that. I do have a couple other cookbook reviews if you're interested, and I'll put those up on the end screen at the end of the video. So till next time, happy cooking, and I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.